Oh my gosh. Now it's beginning to rain on my parade. But I'm gonna be positive. I'll just take this party inside and show y'all the seeds that I plan to put in my raised beds when I'm able to fill them. I gotta get you guys a video. Because I'm a woman over 50 with my own YouTube channel. Let's go. By golly, I am bound and determined I am not going to be beat today. So, even though it's raining, even though my day didn't start off like I wanted it to, I'm gonna get something done in the garden. When we get a break in the rain, I'm gonna drag my husband out there and we're gonna fill those raised beds. It's on the docket. But let me show you the seeds that I bought today that I'm going to plant. Okay, first off, I have Swiss chard. I've never grown this before, but I think that the stems are so pretty. Look at those colors. Next, I have a packet of arugula. This member of the mustard family has long, smooth leaves with a rather pungent odor and taste. When young, the leaves are best as greens and in salads. Days to harvest, 40. I have lettuce. This is called a Grand Rapids. Large, frilly, bright green leaves are tender and sweet. Upright plants grow quickly, slower to bolt than other loose leaf varieties, high in vitamins A and B, 45 days to harvest. Here we have lettuce, Paris Island. Large spoon-shaped leaves fold into an upright, loose head, 8 to 9 inches tall. Very crisp and tender and more nutritious than iceberg head lettuce. Withstands warm weather better than most other lettuce. Days to harvest, 68. So maybe I can get some of this lettuce before it gets too cold here. I'm in Mississippi, zone 8A, and it probably won't get cold like into the 20s until May. Even if it does, it'll probably be in January before that happens. So maybe I can get some of this lettuce. Spinach, Bloomsdale Longstanding. A richly flavored spinach that is slower. Ooh, Rebel, you scared me. That is slower to bolt than other Bloomsdale types. Thick, crinkled, dark green leaves make it a favorite with gardeners everywhere. High in vitamins A, C, and the B complex. Days to harvest, 45. I love some spinach. And then I have another spinach here. This one is called Spinach Matador. And it's a Fairy Morse brand seed, but it says Italian choice. With this excellent taste and smooth dark green leaves, Matador is an impressive addition to salads. The leaves of this cool weather vegetable are also perfect for soufflés, stuffings, and as cooked greens. Mix with ricotta cheese to make cannoli and ravioli. How about that? I like this brand right here. It's giving me some recipes. Taking the guesswork out of it. I like it. Both of these spinaches are 45 days to harvest. So that would be September, October, about the 1st of November, which will be my birthday. My birthday's November 2nd. Okay, I also have some cilantro, coriander, annual herb. The plant is cilantro while the seeds are coriander. The leaves have a distinctive flavor and are used as a garnish in salads and soups. The seed is used in meat and seafood dishes as well as a condiment and flavoring bread, cookies and cakes. Who knew it? Days to germination, 7 to 10. And it doesn't. Anyway, I know that coriander, when it gets too warm, I think it'll bolt. So, like here in the South, you have to plant it early, and then when summer really gets here, the cilantro's done. Next, I have chives. It's a perennial herb. The hollow, thin leaves have a delicate flavoring, much like very mild onions. Delicious in salads and for flavoring soups and omelets. Because of the plant's attractive clover-like blossoms, they are often used for edging flower beds. I think those little pink flowers are pretty. Leaves can be harvested 4 months after sowing, then cut often. I don't know if this will grow or not, but I got the seeds, I'm gonna plant them. This is the raised bed that we're filling. It's 3 feet wide by 6 feet long and 1 foot tall. So we went to the store today and I got I'm gonna put I already have some mulch in the bottom of this thing, but I'm gonna put some more mulch in the bottom. Eventually over time it'll break down and become good organic matter, or it is good organic matter. There's a plane. Anywho, it's gonna take up some space, and I don't think that the seeds that I'm planting today, I don't think it's gonna need all that much soil. So anyway, we're gonna use the mulch at the bottom of the beds, and then we're gonna put some black cow topsoil along with some back toe potting soil. All right, Danny, it's all you.
What do you think?
I think it's looking good. Maybe one more bag of the back toe. I just added perlite and bone meal. I don't know if it's necessary, but I had it, so I just thought I'd add it. Now I'm just working it, digging it into the soil. I think the perlite is supposed to keep the soil lofty, airy, so it doesn't compact down on itself so bad. And then the bone meal is a good source of phosphorus, and phosphorus is instrumental in good root growth, healthy root growth. When we were at the co-op today, we bought some plants, and we bought 3 6-packs. This is cauliflower. This is cabbage. It all kind of looks alike to me, except the lettuce. This is lettuce. This is Butter Crunch Bib lettuce. So we're going to put 3 plants of each in this bed, and then we have another raised bed that we need to set up tomorrow, but we're going to have to move a hydrangea in order to get the bed set up over there where I want it to go, because that hydrangea has never done anything. I don't know, it's just not a good spot for it. Anyway, we're going to move it. We're going to put the raised bed there, and we're going to put the other 3 plants in that raised bed, and I'm going to put some seeds in both of the beds. Some of the seeds I just told you about. I'm going to sprinkle those in both of the beds. So here we go. You want to put the lettuce down there? Or do you think the lettuce should go down here?
Down there.
All right, well you do what you want to do with that, and I'm going to put 3 of the lettuces
What's this?
here. Now I'm going to, drop my label, add some of my seeds to the bed. This is the arugula. And it is supposed to be 40 days till harvest. gonna scatter them out through here. We'll see what it does. That's it for today's video. Come back tomorrow. We've got more raised beds to fill. We've got more seeds to plant. And we've just got more shenanigans. Come on, it'll be fun. After finishing with the raised beds, we went to the football game where we got to see my niece Catherine cheer at halftime. Look, it's Ava and Bailey.
Hi. Hello.
Show us your baby's cheer suit.
I gotta get it monogrammed.
Isn't that so sweet?
It's gonna be a little cheerleader.
All right. I can't wait to see her with it on.
Either.
All right. Y'all are number one. Good job, Catherine. Good job, Catherine.
Thank you.
You did great. You're number one in my book.